Here's the app called Zoom Earth Live Weather Map, Hurricane Tracker, Rain Radar. So it's one of the cool apps to track in real time the weather map of the areas near you, and then you can just view some live satellite images, the latest storms and wildfires. You can explore weather forecast, rain temperature, pressure, and more for your location. So just track hurricanes, wildfire maps. Yes, this is especially probably helpful feature in recent weeks, like especially the wildfire map, wind speed map, temperature, and much more. So it's quite, quite useful app. You can see some active fires all around the world. So basically, let's say if I want to share location, and then this map shows near real-time satellite imagery. Images are updated every 10 minutes with a delay of around 20 to 30 minutes. And then there you have it. So that's how it looks like. So you can really see all the imagery. And then you, for example, if you just want to zoom in here, you can also see the movements if you just tap the play button like that. You can also measure distance, measure area, satellite, radar, like humidity, pressure. So then you can just enable different filters, as you can see. Then you can just see pressure. So yeah, quite cool app. And then you can see all of these things just around the world. So it's not only like few states in US. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So that's how it works. Then you can see all and track kind of hurricanes and their epicenters and some powerful winds and all of that. So give it a try.